Hi everyone, welcome to 51st episode DevLog of Developing Browser Online Game. And in this video, we continue to implement new design for this game. And I will focus on worships page and on fleets page. I implement new design. I separate my parameters in special blocks here. And I add worships queue. I change design of this block too. And now it looks much better. I can build something. I still have some problems with time left. I will fix it too. And I still didn't change anything on this page. And before I continue to apply my new design to fleets page and other pages, I wanted to add new feature which I didn't before. This feature includes attacks from pirates, from pirate islands. And for that, I change my code, of course, and I add new job for fleet and for pirate logic. I add pirate job. Yeah, I just, get all cities with city dictionary ID 2. 2 means that it's pirate island. And I just analyze all pirate cities in city, in pirate island, in pirate city. If there is no fleets, it means that pirates can attack someone. So at one time, it could be only one fleet which is going to some player. So, and I just add pirate service, and this pirate service, it creates fleet for pirates. And I create some details. Right now I generate the same fleet with 3 loggers and 1 caravel. And of course I create fleet information. Yeah. Right now this fleet is going to my island, which is 10. So after that, this fleet can be handled by fleet job, right? Yeah, because here in fleet job, we get all fleets with deadline. Yeah, and we handle each fleet. And here in handle fleet, we have code for attack task, right? And here we just dispatch new job for battle job. And in battle job, we can handle a battle. Previously, I had condition that the target city is Pirate Bay. And here I have condition that if target city is player's island, so I will do something. But I was thinking about it a little bit, and I decided that it doesn't matter which island we are attacking right now, because the logic is the same. We just calculate everything for battle and getting some result, getting some log. One thing we do in that case is that we need to identify who is attacker and who is defender. In this code, yeah, I check city dictionary ID of target city, and if it's Pirate Bay, it means that user is attacking Pirate Bay and Pirate Bay is a defender. And vice versa, if city dictionary ID is player island, it means that pirates are attacking player. All code is the same, I think. It works, yeah, we can check it. So I update my database and I can start my server. And after that, I need to start pirate logic. So I send fleet. After that, I start fleet job and waiting for attack. Yep, I got it. And after that, I start battle job. And yep, I got some. After that, I can go to my interface, to my battle log. So, and I have result like a player. I lost 1 logger. I can see it. I think that I can see it. No? it's a little bit strange, but I think that I forgot to remove one logger from worship. So anyway, right now it's just the first step, yeah, and later I will fix it, I will improve it, and I will fix some bugs. For example, I don't know why here I have two battle logs, so I will need to research it. I think that I will do it in the next episode. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, leave a comment if you have something to say, press the like button. See you in the next episode. Bye.